Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use touch mouse mode in Excel. So let's start this is my Excel and you can see here on quick access toolbar the touch mode icon showing. Okay, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see there are two options: optimize spacing between the commands. So there are two mode here, the mouse mode and touch mode. So mouse mode you normally used and the touch mode you can use for your screen touching laptop. Okay. So in touch mode, the more space between the commands optimize for with the touch. Okay. So you get the more space between the commands. So these are the some commands option. So you get the more space for the every command. So you can easily touch and you can use it. For mouse mode, you can use the standard space. You can get the standard space, standard ribbon and commands optimized for with mouse. Okay. So you can see the selected option is the first is a mouse command. And you can see here the tab option. And in editing group, you can see that there are so many options here. But when you click on the touch option, you can see the command space is increasing with this. That in editing, you can see only one option showing. When I click on this drop down arrow, the other option also showing here. Okay, so this is the way the space between the every command is showing. So it's easily used to touch screen laptop. Okay. So if you want to change again, just click on this drop down again and you can just click on the mouse mode. Okay, just click on the mouse mode and you can see the changes on the ribbon command space. Okay, so if you want to add this option here, just click on the file tab and click on the more and click on the option here. In Excel option, you can see the one dialog box. Just click on the quick access toolbar. So here, just drag below and you see the touch mouse mode. Okay, just simply click on it and click on the add. Okay, it's already added, so I show you, I just remove this and I show you. Just click on it and click on the add. Now you can see in quick access toolbar the touch mode is added. Just click on OK and that's it. You can see here the icon of touch mode mouse. Okay, touch mouse mode. Okay, so this is the way you can add here on the quick access toolbar and you can use it for your laptop. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.